Team Rescue Sports obedo joloch e piem mar PUBG Mobile International Championship Kenya ganario gi 26. Mano piem mar tuke ma iriembo gi kompyuta e yor lony manyasani. Rescue yudo loch bang' ndalo ariyo mag piem mapek od tugo ma Mwai Kibaki Hall e mbalariany ma Mount Kenya University kama girodhe timbe duto 15. Rush Esports otieko e thuolo mar ariyo ka No Pressure otieko e thuolo mar adek. Timbe adego duto koro dhi chung'ne Kenya e piem mag Afrika kama gidhi piem gi kagilaro $10,000.
Fallen ruthless. The results weren't what we hoped for. At the end of the day, I'm truly grateful for all the memories I have had with all my friends, all my teammates, and it was a very good experience.
My name is Spiky Buzz. I'm a player for No Pressure. The team, of course, is not really happy because we expected to do better. #1 is always the better option.
My name is Viper. My in-game name is Rush Viper. This is my team, Rush Esports. We came #2. Next season we'll come back stronger and hopefully we'll lift the trophy.
I am RC Shaki. Okay. That's my in-game name. We are so happy. The experience has been nice for these past 2 days. We had our expectations high from the start.